New Zealand yen on the weekly and daily chart is on a bullish trend, and the 4-hour, 1 hour is bearish, right? So let me just share one more time over here, right? So what we have over here is our APE, analyze, plan, execute. This is what we do. We analyze the overall trend, then we start to plan which strategy to use. Are we going to do a trend trading or counter trend trading? And of course, when we execute the trade, we follow our trade plan and not to intervene it unless we have written those rules prior to the engagement. That should be how trading should be. And if you are struggling with it, most probably you do not have the right community to support you. If you are getting serious about this and the idea of earning additional income on the side interests you, by just spending 15 minutes a day, you could earn additional income of that. Drop me a DM, right? So weekly chart, what I have over here is you could see head and shoulder formation completion, right? So this is what we do, and the way we trade head and shoulder. This is the capture 845 pips, right? If this is something that would be helpful to you and you really love this, drop me a DM. Apart from that, we could see the head and shoulder formation completion really happened and it reversed back down, right? And if you are our students, you could have engaged around this range, right? After the confirmation, it will still give you a good 200 pips. So here and there, 1,000 pips captured, done. And all you need to do, engage, hold the trade at the right price, shift stops to entry, and just let it run, right? So weekly chart at this time, nothing much for myself. Do note that overall is still bullish on both weekly and daily. So daily chart, what we have over here is a deep godly pattern. All is needed is within 1 to 3 days, I need to see a reversal that happened before I can engage for a buying opportunity. Judging by the strong bearish movement, unless there are some news that is going to flip this thing around, it's not going to happen. Besides, Japan plans to intervene in the market, and when they intervene in the market, New Zealand yen will drop because they want a stronger yen. You have to remember that. If you're buying, you are trading against the Japanese government interests, right? So something to take note. For our chart, selling opportunity seems like a more comforting positions for most Japanese yen pairs we're looking at. Of course, you can have that thoughts, but their action of intervening the market is usually not very supported by the traders, which means that the move happens, usually it rebound back within 2 weeks or within 3 weeks. That's it. I do not recommend you to trade without analyzing the situation, right? Because here and there, policy change, leader change, the entire movement could change as well, right? So on the 4-hour chart, if you're looking for a selling opportunity, like I do, I'm waiting for this trend line retest over here. Okay, so there isn't an exact price. I have to wait for and rely on the alert trigger and send me that alert. And this is why you have to know what is the price you should be looking at, what you should be looking for, and plot it correctly so there isn't a need for you to keep staring on the chart, right? So if you want to learn this skill set, drop me a DM.